The problem with Luna Classic. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video, and like it if you want to see more of our content. A quick note, we will never ask you for your number or any personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of those scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The journey that neurotics have been on for the past year may well be the most spectacular one we've ever discovered in the world of vital currencies. The blockchain project Terra Classic, crypto LUNC, which was born from the high-flying Terra ecosystem that supported an algorithmic stablecoin, is a dismal repudiation of what it once was. After falling from a peak of over $120 per token last year, investors may now purchase LUN tokens for, on average, 0.003 cents apiece. This means that those who have made near purchases to the peak would experience close to full catastrophe. The Terra people group launched a digital currency token known as Terra Luna in July of 2019. The local emblem of Terra, a blockchain developed by the Korean company Terraform Labs, is the Terra Luna token. The symbol, formerly known as the Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, was once known as Terra Luna LUNA. The resource is currently well known for the crypto crash that occurred in May of 2022. The symbol, which traded for as much as $80 per LUNA on CoinMarketCap as of the 20th of July 2022, is currently at 0.0001074 cents per LUNC. Terra as a platform was developed to provide customers with the security of government-issued forms of currency, while leveraging blockchain technology for payments that were speedier and less costly than typical installment plans. The Terra Classic USD/UST token, the algorithmic stablecoin sister token of the Terra Luna token, was widely accepted since it supported the Terra Luna token. With more than $20 billion invested in the company across its applications in December of 2021, Terra overtook the cunning BNB chain to become the second largest DeFi convention. Before the May Terra Luna crisis, which shocked the world of digital currency and left many in serious financial straits, LUNA eventually traded for more than $100. All things considered, the current astounding increase in LUNC is starting to merit attention. Terra Classic has flooded 33.7% as of 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time over the previous few hours. This U-turn is a clear example of a crypto transaction. Binance said that it would support the Terra Classic people organization by paying all exchange fees. The Binance team discussed how the specifics of these consumption exchanges will work in a blog post that was published earlier today. There is a lot of room for speculation surrounding this token because the Terra Classic blockchain is still through a very intricate construction process. Financial backers have previously attended meetings in this symbolic manner, which many have linked to recent image rallies. A statement from the Terra Group that a 1.2% consumption expense will be added to all swaps has precedence tied to it. This consumption fee aims to reduce Terra bloated stock of its LUNC token from 6.9 trillion to about 20 billion by the end. All things considered, if crypto transactions don't lock in, such consumption is pointless. Therefore, it's not funny that Binance is reportedly making an effort to recognize the LUNC people group that was put forward before this month. Those who are not concerned about the tokenomics of this particular project have a reason to go forward today. This new Terra Classic meeting is unquestionably a move that is now grabbing the attention of examiners. Given how much LUNC has fallen short of expectations, there is considerable room for profit should retail financial supporters join this rally powered by energy. In a similar vein, this will be fantastic to observe from here. Although this action by Binance supports the theory that the LUNC stockpile may not be doomed to increase indefinitely, this is a symbol that has recently suffered from a disadvantage. This is because LUNC's stockpile has recently increased despite the previously indicated consumption chargeover. Before becoming too motivated, financial backers would likely need to observe some considerable decline in the number of tokens that are readily available in the biological system. In any case, it is how I see the current action. Compared to Terra Luna, these 10 stocks are superior. It might be beneficial to pay attention when our award-winning expert team provides a stock suggestion. All things considered, the publication Diverse Blockhead Stock Consultant, which they have been publishing for more than 10 years, has greatly expanded the market. They just revealed what they believe to be the top 10 companies for investors to buy right now, and Terra Luna Classic was not one of them. They genuinely believe that these 10 equities are by far the best investments, believe it or not. What do you think about today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back for more videos like this one.